Michael McDonald, he works for a Congressional Federal Credit Union. And when you talk about the type of approach that organizations have, oftentimes very large origination firms are able to afford the type of technology that we covered today. But many of you are from community banks or lenders, and this type of technology is in your reach too. I know pricing engines for some of you are new, and certainly presentation technologies are very new. So Congressional Federal has been leading the way, and Capitol Hill to providing great value to their customers and their depository clients to provide really great mortgage services. I thought we would hear a little bit from Michael on how the credit union has really been able to tap into the presentation technology. So Michael, do you have any comments to share with the audience today?
Yeah, so first off, thank you, Joe, for having me today and for allowing me to participate. So we're actually relatively new to utilizing Mortgage Coach, but we were super excited pretty much from day one to make it part of our sales strategy and part of our everyday sales process. Because like Joe hinted to earlier in the presentation, is we wanted to really transition away from just quoting rates and then sending out a fee sheet. We want to transition to more of an advisory role. And one way to do that is to articulate the options that the borrower has. And Mortgage Coach really enables us to do that. And so in regards to the Optimal Blue integration, we pretty much started with that integration day one. And it makes for a very seamless transition from quoting rate right into creating your Mortgage Coach presentation. And if you think about it logically, that's kind of the logical process that you're going to want to do no matter what, even if you're not using Mortgage Coach. So you're going to price out an initial scenario, and then you somehow need to articulate that to the member, or to the borrower, sorry. And so with the integration and how seamless it is, it really makes the process super, super smooth. And like it was hinted to before, you want to make the process as easy as possible, because all loan officers are super swamped, and they don't want to be spending a lot of time on an additional step. So for those of you who are kind of at the management level or in the secondary marketing level, you know that whenever you implement a new process or a new IT system, that getting buy-in from your staff can be kind of difficult. So one way to do that was with this Optimal Blue integration, and it makes that process much, much easier. It makes it going from spending 5 to 7 minutes on creating a presentation down to, like it was demoed earlier, down to a minute. So far, we've had a lot of luck with it. Our borrowers have responded exceptionally well. They all love it. Some people, including myself, are more of a graphical learner. So you might tell somebody, we can save you 0.25% on your rate, and that's going to save you $300 a month, but it may not click until they actually see it articulated in graphical form. So far it's been very good, and we look forward to continuing in having it as part of our sales process.
Well, thanks so much, Michael, and thanks for highlighting just how easy it is to adopt, and also for sharing the sample presentation from the phone that hopefully everyone on the line was able to see how it moved, and that you can control that movement from your own device, walking somebody through the presentation, much how Michael was walking us through the value proposition just now.